Good morning, children. Suprabhat bachcho. In last class, we have completed swaro ki matraye. Till this, what we have completed, children? Remember, see, we have completed swar. In swar, raswa swar, dirgha swar. Then anunasik, anuswar, visarg. Then vyanjan, and then sanyuktakshar. And in vyanjan also, we learned part in that alpapran and mahapran. Okay, and then we have learned full Varnamala. Okay, and after that, in last class, we have completed Swaro ki Matraya also. So today again I'll teach with Barakri the Swaro ki Matraya also. Okay, today I'll start with Barakri. So children, take out your rough book and pen. All this, no, you don't write in classwork. What we'll send in the PDF file, no, that you have to copy in classwork. Okay, today we'll start with Barakri. So take out your rough book. 5th standard children also and 6th standard children also. Take out your rough book and with pen ready, and we'll start today with Barakri. So what is Barakri? You know what is Barakri? See, in Hindi, no, if you know Varnamala properly and if you know Barakri, no, it is very easy to read Hindi and to write Hindi. So I taught already Varnamala, so you thorough with that Varnamala and thorough with this Barakri. It will be very easy to learn Hindi. So here what is Barakri? Yes, Barakri is Vyanjan plus swar, you will get Barakri. Okay, children? You will get Barakri. So Vyanjan plus swar is equal to Barakri. So today I'll teach you about Ka Barakri. So if you learn this method of Barakri, you know how to form Barakri. This is the formation of Barakri. How to form Barakri, how we'll get the Barakri. So if you learn this, no, one letter also, by this one letter, you can learn other letters also by the same way. Okay. So here, first, I'll see here, I'll take here Ka Vyanjan. Okay, Ka half plus swar. What are the swar? Yes, children, what are the swar? A, E, all are swar, no? So we will add here in Vyanjan swar. Okay. So Ka half plus A. Now this is swar, okay? This is Vyanjan. Now I write here in bracket Matra also for this. For which Matra was there? Swaro ki Matra I taught in the last class. What is the Matra for swar? No Matra for swar, only up line. So here, what you will get? Ka half plus Ka full. What you will get, children? Ka full. Now, Ka half. This is half sign, okay? Ka half. Ka. This is Ka, okay? So, this side only you have to do line. If you are writing like this, it is wrong. Okay? So, see properly and write it properly. Okay, children? So, here, Ka half plus a Ka. Now, next. Ka half plus A. See, this is A, this is A. Don't get confused. Not this is A. This is A. This is A. So, Ka half plus A. Ka half plus A. What? First, you tell me what is the Matra for A? Yes. Here, line. Standing line. Okay, this is Matra for A. Now here, we will add this Matra because we are adding A. For A, which Matra is there? This. So here, for Ka, we will add this. We will get A. Ka plus A, Ka, because this is the Matra for A. Okay, understood, children? So, Ka half plus A, Ka. Next. Ka half plus Choti E. What is the Matra for Choti E? Yes, children. What is the Matra for Choti E? Yes. Before Vyanjan, this it should come. Okay. Before Vyanjan. Vyanjan के पहले यह मात्रा हमें E के लिए लगानी है. तो Ka plus Choti E. First we are writing Ka and adding here E means this Matra means here. Understood, children? See here. Ka, Ka, Ki. This is the Barakri. ka, ka, ki, ku, kru. How we are getting? Like this, we are getting the Bharati. Understood, children? See here, very easy. If we are adding in any vyanjan, instead of ka, if we'll take ka also, and if we are adding this swar, and we have to remember what matra hai for this swar. So, aram se we can write this Bharati. Next is kaha plus badi e. Now tell me what is the matra for badi e? Yes, children. Vyanjan ke piche. Vyanjan ke piche you have to put like this. Okay. So kaha plus badi e, he. Like this. See this. If in Vyanjan we are adding e, then what is the matra for this? Like this. So like this you have to add. Okay, so what we got? Ka, ka, ki. Understood? Now next. Kaha plus u. Kaha plus u. See children here. Kaha plus u. What is the matra for u? Yes. Below the vyanjan like this. Below the vyanjan like this. This is the matra for u. Now how to write here? Below the vyanjan, yes, we are writing first ka. Okay. Now u ki matra. U ki matra is this. So this. Understood? So ka, ka, ki, ku. Okay. Next. Kaha plus badi u. See here. Okay. How? How will get? Here, ka, then badi u ki matra below the vyanjan. So, if in half ka we are adding u, we have to put the matra for u. See, when we are adding swar, no? For that swar, we have to write matra is for this. Okay. So here, kaha plus u. What is the matra for badi u? Like this below vyanjan. Okay. So, what you got? Ku. What you got? Ku. Next. Next one is what? A, I, U, Ru. Next one is what? Ru. So, kaha plus Ru. Kaha plus Ru. What is the matra for Ru? You tell me below the vyanjan like this. Okay, come. What you will get? Below the vyanjan, this kru. Understood? So, see, by this only you are getting the variety. Ka, ka, ki, ku, kru. Okay, understood? So, copy that. Copy first, then I will teach other. Copy this first. Yes, completed children. So now next swar is what? If we are adding in ka vyanjan, next swar. Next swar is what after ru? Yes, a. Next swar is what? A. Now for a, which matra is there, children? For a, which matra is there? Yes, up on the vyanjan like this. You have to put the matra. Now if we are writing ka and giving up matra here, this is what we are calling it as K. How will pronounce this? K. How will pronounce this? K. Understood? Now, kaha. Next swar is which swar? Yes, I. Next swar is which? I. And for that, you have to remember the matra also. Kai. For this, which matra is there, children? Yes. Like this. So very easy. See here, ka and up to matra is kai. What you will get? Kai. Understood? So children, but remember this first, that here matra should go both one side only. See here, if you are writing kai like this, here and this, This is wrong. Matra should go one side only. Okay. I ki matra should go one side only. So this is wrong. Understood? So now next swar. Kaha plus O. Next swar is what? O. For O matra, yes, standing line and one up matra. Understood? So for kaha and O, what you will get, children? Yes, ko. What you will get? Ko. Okay. Next, kaha plus which swar next, children? Au. Which swar next? Au. And for au, which how we will write the matra? Yes, line here and up to matra is there. Okay. What you will get here? Cow. What you will get, children, here? Cow. Understood? See how we are getting the Bharakri. It's very easy. If you learn one, no, you get all. If you know Varnamala and Swar and Matra, you will get the Bharakri easily. Kaha, next swar is what? Anuswar. So here, Anuswar. Okay. Upline Anuswar. Bindi, choti bindi. Don't do circle. Okay, bindi. So, come. What you will get? Come. What you will get? Come. Next, kaha plus aha. Kaha plus aha. This is what? Visarga. This is what? Visarga. I already taught you in the last class. Anuswar, Visarga and Anunasik. Okay. This is Anuswar. This is Visarga. Okay. So, how you have to write? Kaha. What you have to write? Kaha. Understood? So, first copy down this, children. Then I'll explain again. So what you got here, na Bharakri you got. See here, ka, ka, ki, ku, kru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. Understood? So you got the Bharakri here. So, completed this, children? So, you write this is very important. If you learn this, no, you will get all the Bharakri, all the Varnas Bharakri. See here, kaha plus a, ka. Kaha plus a, ka. Kaha plus e, ki. Kaha plus e, ki. Okay, kaha plus u, ku. Kaha plus u, ku. Kaha plus ru, kru. Kaha plus a, kaha plus a, ke. Kaha plus I, kai. Kaha plus o, ko. Kaha plus au, kau. Kaha plus kam. Kaha plus aha, kaha. See now what you got here and right here. See first what you got? Ka. Next, what you got here, children? Ka. Okay, next what? Ki. Next, ki. Okay, next, ku. Next, ku. And next, kru. Okay, up to kru, you have to write in one line. Next is ke. Next is kai. Next is ko. Next is kau and kam, kaha. See this by this way only you got the Bharakri of ka. Okay, by this way only you got the Bharakri of ka. Understood, children? So by in Vyanjan, if you are adding swar, you will get the Bharakri. Now like that only. Complete first this, children. Then I'll give the other barakri. Like same way. See, all these points you have to remember. Do matra one side. Then here put dot, no circle. Okay. So, and this thing here properly. Below the Vyanjan only you have to put. If you are writing ga, then start from here. Okay. And so many will write, see here, ga for ga u ki matra you will write like this. This is wrong, children. So you have to start from here and you have to here choti u ki matra like this you have to write. Okay. And if you are writing badi u ki matra, no, don't write like this. This is wrong. You have to start from here and you have to go like this. Badi u ki matra gu. Okay. So all these points now while writing you have to remember. So completed, children? So now same way, if you write kha barakri, then you will get the barakri of kha. See, now you have to tell me if you are writing kha. In that, if you are adding which vyanjan, now I will not write here matra. You have to tell me directly kha plus a kha. Okay, kha half plus a. What you will get, children? Kha. What you will get? Kha. Next, kha half plus e, he. What you will get? He. Next, kha half plus badi e. What you will get? Yes, children? He. Okay. Next, kha half plus u. What you will get? Who. Next, kha half plus u. What you will get? Who. Okay. Next, kha half plus ru. What you will get, children? Crew. What you will get? Crew. Next, kha half plus a. What you will get? K. Kha half plus I. What you will get? Khai. What you will get? Khai. Kha half plus O. What you will get, children? Kho. What you will get? Kho. Next, kha half plus au. What you will get? Cow. What you will get? Cow. Kha half plus kham. Okay. Kha half plus aha. What you will get, children? Kha. So now which barakri you got? Kha barakri you got. In Varnamala, after ka, which letter is there? Kha letter is there. Then how you will get the barakri of kha letter? By adding swar into that. See, if you are adding in kha half, a swar, you will get kha. Kha half plus a, kha. ख half plus e की, ख half plus बड़ी ई खी, ख half plus ऊ खू, ख half plus ऊ खू, ख half plus रू क्रू, ख half plus a खे, ख half plus I खाई, ख half plus o खो, ख half plus au खाओ, ख half plus खम, ख half plus खह. So today's homework. Now you have to start the homework also, children. So today's homework is what? You note down, children. You have to write homework in homework book. What you will write? Yes. See, first you have to write Varnamala, full Varnamala. Okay, full Varnamala. I taught you, first Swar will come, then Vyanjan, and then Sanyukta Akshar. So, full Varnamala you have to write neatly, leave the line and write, and neatly, if you are writing 2 letters, in between 1 finger space you should leave. Okay? So, write neatly, touch the line and write, and you are getting single line work. So, don't touch both lines, only up line you have to touch. And don't write in first line. If you are starting new page, don't write in first line. From second line you have to start. And next is Barakhri. Long Barakhri. This is long method Barakhri. You have to write which Barakhri for G and Gh. Okay, this is your homework. Note down. You have to write one time only. Okay, one time. This is also one time. So what is the homework, children? Varnamala, and I'll check your homework. So homework from homework book also will get the marks. You will get the marks, internal marks you will get from homework book. So what is the homework today? Yes, Varnamala one time, neatly you have to write. And then Barakhri, G and Gh. How to write Barakhri? This like you have to write long method. Okay. This is the long method of Barakhri. Okay. So which letter Barakhri you have to write? G and Gh. And that also long method. So like this formation of Barakhri you have to write. Okay, so complete this Gh Barakhri also, and in homework book you have to write G Barakhri and Gh Barakhri like this same way. So note down this. If you are completing this, then I'll give some words to read and write. Okay, so complete this first. Is completed, children? This is very important for learning Barakhri, how to make Barakhri. No, this is very important. Vyanjan plus Swar Barakhri. Vyanjan plus Swar Barakhri. Okay. So homework you have to write neatly, because we are getting this year from homework book also marks. Internal marks will be given from the classwork and homework book. So you have to write neatly homework book also. In homework book also you have to write neatly. Homework book 100 pages and classwork 200 pages. Don't write anything in classwork, but in homework book you can start now this homework. Okay. So now first one we learned Ka Barakhri. Now second one we learned Kha Barakhri. Okay. How we got that Kha Barakhri? By adding Swar in that Kha half. Okay. What you got? I'll write now here. Kha, Kha, Ki, Ki, Fu, Khu, Crew. Okay. Khe, Khai, खो, खौ, खम, खह. So, see, don't pronounce it as ka. This is kha. H sound should come in kha. Okay? Kha, kha, ki, ki, ku, ku, kru, ke, kai, ko, khau, kham, khaha. Okay, you got this two letter barakri. Ka barakri also you got, kha barakri also. Now like this only you can write all other letters barakri. Okay, up to ha, all letters barakri you can write by this way. Okay, so but pronunciation also it should be correct. That is ka ka. Here ka ka ki, but here kha kha ki. Listen pronunciation. Kha kha ki ki khu khu kru khe khai kho khau kham khaha. Like this you have to pronounce it properly. So you got now this words. Now see one more barakri I'll write like this horizontal barakri, and next class I'll give some words how to read and write. See if we are writing here ka ma la. See here children, ka ma la. Okay, so here ka ma la. Here no matra is in this word. Ka ma la. Here no matra hai. So without matra here no aki matra, no uki matra. So how to read this? Ka ma la. Don't write it as, don't read ka ma la. Here only this is ka ma la. Next if I'll give am. See how to read this? First you have to identify the this letter. Which letter is this? A. Okay. So here which matra? Aki matra. A. Then which letter is this? Ma. So like this you have to read. One more word I'll give. See here. How to read? See here. How to read this word? First you have to identify the Varnamala. Which letter is this from Varnamala? First letter is which letter, children? Ka. Which letter is this? Ka. Now for ka, which matra is there? Uki matra. Then ka plus uki matra. Which pronunciation? Ku. Which pronunciation? How to pronounce it? Ku. Okay, ka plus uki matra. Ku. Then sa plus uki matra. Su. Ku. Su. Ma. Ku. Su. Ma. Kusum. How to read? Kusum. See here. Ka plus choti uki matra. Ku. Sa plus choti uki matra. Su. And for ma, no matra. So don't read kusuma. Ma here no aki matra. So don't read it as kusuma. Kusum. Kusum. Complete here ma only. If we are writing here aki matra, then only you have to read a kusuma. Don't read it as kusuma. Here no aki matra. So don't read it as kusuma. Kusuma. Only ma. In Hindi, if you are adding aki matra only, then only you have to read a. Otherwise, kusuma. Understood? So, like this, first you have to learn the barakri, and then you have to learn the words. Still one more barakri I will write here. See here. Now, automatically you will get this horizontal barakri also. By learning that swar, Vyanjan plus swar is equal to barakri, you will get this barakri also. So tell me how to write ga barakri. Yes, children? Ga. Okay, next is ga. Okay, next is choti ki matra. Gi. Next, badi ki matra. Gi. Okay, next, u ki matra. Gu. Next, badi u की मात्रा गु. Next, ru की मात्रा gru. Okay. Next, for ga, a की मात्रा ge. For next, I की मात्रा gai. O की मात्रा go. Au ki matra, gau. Next, ki matra, gum. And aha ki matra, gah. This is the barakri of ga. Okay. How to write ga barakri? See children. Ga, ga, gi, gi, gu, gu, gru, ge, gai, go, gau, gum, gaha. So write this two barakri, horizontal barakri. Okay, this is. Next class I'll give some more barakri and words, and after that one class I'll start with the textbook. Okay, still one more class I'll go with barakri and words, and after that, after still one more class, I'll start with the poem. Okay, so complete this today and learn properly how to pronounce it and how we are making the barakri. Okay, children, and complete this. In next class, I will give some more letters, barakri and words, how to read and how to write that words. Okay, children, thank you.